What up, gang? Guess what I just picked up? I just got the CBR back in the stable. All the boys are back. R1M, Yamaha R1, and the Cowie in the back there, the ZX6R. I'll tell you this, I had this installed, which is the blipper on there. I'm gonna tell you right now, she shifts like flipping butter. And just really grateful for that technology. I'll tell you, it just makes it a little bit easier, especially when you're on a track. But also got the fuel mapping system worked on, and this is going to be going in shortly also too down to KWS to get some stuff reworked on here, especially with the ECU. So I am going to make some adjustments to the bike to make it a little bit faster and to put out a little more horsepower. But I'll tell you right now, she looks good. I missed her. So glad that she's back in the stable. It's always it was fun to go test her on the expressway that we have out here. And I'm gonna tell you right now, the bike just shifts like flipping butter. So it actually puts down way more power, in my opinion, with the fuel mapping and also with the blipper. You get full maximum throttle. When I pull my wrist back, man, and I'm just flying through the actual gears, pretty much 0 to 135 comes pretty quick in 6 gears. So, I couldn't be more pleased with what I was able to basically get out of this one adjustment. So anyway, the R1M is going into the shop next to get some work done. You guys know that I've got the part right here. So we're gonna be able to install it on this sucker here. I'm gonna tell you, this may be the fastest R1M in the United States when I'm done with it. It's gonna be so cool. For now, CBR1000 is back in the stable, and I cannot wait to take her out for a super long ride tomorrow, which will be fun. And I'm also gonna probably ride the R1. I haven't taken this one out in a little bit, so I'm gonna go and charge the battery tomorrow. I'll take it out, but it should be fun. Anyway, guys, appreciate y'all. We hit 100 subscribers in a couple of weeks. I'm so happy. Thank you for the support, guys. I appreciate you. You guys have a great day. Cheers.